Hi viewers, welcome to AQC Group YouTube channel. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in major parts of India. Kindly share this video to your friends, farmers and traders. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in Kerala. Marketplace Anchal, onion arrival 500 kg, minimum price 1 kg 63 rupees and maximum price 65 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Perumbavoor, onion arrival 6000 kg, minimum price 33 rupees and maximum price 38 rupees per 1 kg onion. Marketplace Angamali, onion arrival 1000 kg, big variety, minimum price 45 rupees and maximum price 51 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Chenganur, small variety onion 1 kg, minimum price 34 rupees and maximum price 37 rupees. Marketplace Adirampula, onion arrival 2000 kg, big variety, minimum price 43 rupees and maximum price 45 rupees per 1 kg, and small variety, minimum price 30 rupees and maximum price 32 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kayankulam, onion arrival 6000 kg, big variety, minimum price 22 rupees and maximum price 24 rupees, small variety, minimum price 27 rupees and maximum price 29 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Kuduvayur, onion arrival 10,000 kg, big variety, minimum price 42 rupees and maximum price 48 rupees per 1 kg, small variety, minimum price 30 rupees and maximum price 38 rupees per 1 kg. Now we are going to see onion wholesale price in Maharashtra. Marketplace Kopargaon, onion arrival 1,12,000 kg, minimum price 9 rupees and maximum price 34 rupees 13 paise per 1 kg. Marketplace Laslagan Vinchur, onion arrival 5,30,000 kg, minimum price 10 rupees and maximum price 38 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Parner, onion arrival 5,30,000 kg, onion 1 kg, minimum price 5 rupees and maximum price 37 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Pimplicon, onion arrival 12,52,000 kg, onion 1 kg, minimum price 10 rupees and maximum price 42 rupees 10 paise per 1 kg onion. Marketplace Pune, onion arrival 8,72,000 kg, minimum price 8 rupees and maximum price 35 rupees per 1 kg. Marketplace Rahata, onion arrival 2,30,000 kg, onion 1 kg, minimum price 2 rupees and maximum price 35 rupees per 1 kg. If this video is useful, kindly like and share to everyone. If you have any doubt, kindly comment below this video. Kindly see our playlist for other commodity prices. Thank you for watching. Keep supporting us.